everyone, my name is Ian. I work at the Fort Worth Public Library, and as many of you know, I work in the Panther Lab Makerspace. You may not be familiar with what a makerspace is, but it's a space for people to come in and create and make using different tools. Right now we can't access those tools, but I did want to let you know about access you do have to the Libby app and also Overdrive website, which will let you check out different books for your e-reader. In fact, I checked out Every Tool is a Hammer by Adam Savage. You may recognize him from the Mythbusters series. This is a great book that talks about the maker community and what it's like to be a maker in today's society. So I recommend checking out this book through the Libby app or through the Overdrive website using your Fort Worth Public Library card. If you don't have a card right now, that's okay. You can sign up for an e-card, which will give you access. Let me show you how easy it is to use the Overdrive website. If there's a title I'd like to check out using the Overdrive website, I can head to overdrive.com, search for the title that I would like to check out. And as you can see here, there are two different formats. It is an audio version and a regular e-version. I'm going to check out the e-version by clicking on the title that has a little book next to it. Once I've gotten to the title that I want to check out, I hit View. And it brings me to this page where I can click on Borrow and start reading. Or if I want to read a sample, I can click Read a Sample. These and many other titles are available for you to check out, so let's get reading.